Welcome, everybody, to the ultimate orthodontic startup course. My name is Zach Dykes, and I'm joined along with Dr. Brice.
I love it, man. Hearing you say Dr. Brice is always so exciting. You have such a great voice. This is awesome.
I'm excited because we're going to be going through this course together. You're going to be sharing your insights from you starting up your practice, and everybody watching is going to get to learn from your triumphs, your mistakes.
Right.
But this is going to be a great time for everyone that is looking to either buy or do a full startup, and it's going to be a great time. So check out all the modules, all the lessons. You're going to be getting so many amazing things, and make sure to check out the downloadable course links that you get all of our stuff for each lesson.